Hello and welcome to pmclounge.com. This is going to be a different kind of video. Today we are talking about some of the project management rules that you should live by. As a project manager, these are the rules that you should live by. And these are kept open-ended deliberately. These do not point to specific project management jargons, so that even if you're not a project manager but you aspire to be one, these are the rules that you should follow. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it. Planning. When I am involved, the plans made represent the best thinking of all concerned. When I am responsible for planning, I involve many others. Data collection. I successfully tap every single source of information available to me. I successfully encourage others to obtain information and pay attention to what they have to say. Implementation. I keep an eye on the implementation of plans and respond quickly to and solve blockages. I am responsive to sound proposals for modifying plans, open to suggestions, and always willing to help. Evaluation. I have both methods and output under constant review, and changes in them are regularly implemented as needed. I encourage others to evaluate their own and my performance output. Conflict. I try to resolve conflict as quickly as possible by uncovering its underlying causes. When conflict arises, I help those involved to find a sound basis for agreement. Controls. If a procedure of control is violated, I make sure I concentrate on finding out why. I believe that performance data is best feedback to the individual concerned rather than to a superior or staff unit. Communications. I have open communication channel with everyone on any matter, and others have it with me too. I maintain open trusting communication with everyone. So those were some of the rules as a project manager, and even if you're not a project manager, as a working professional, that you should follow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you did. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Check us out on our social media. PMC Lounge is our handle on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. If you're wondering what books you should buy for your PMP preparation, go to pmclounge.com/PMP preparation resources with a dash in green. The link is right there on your screen right now. Don't forget to check out the website pmclounge.com, your number one free resource for PMP and other project management certifications, as well as project management industry information. Thank you.